Hello everyone, good morning. Today again we are discussing inverse trigonometric functions, exercise 2.1. Previously we had discussed about 9 questions of 2.1 exercise, that is second chapter of class 12, and here we are discussing 10th question, cosec inverse minus root 2. Cosec inverse minus root 2, we can write it in this manner, cosec inverse minus cosec pi by 4, because cosec 45 degree value is root 2. Here it is negative sign, that's why we have to put here negative sign, but there should not be negative sign after any inverse function. So we will have to write it in this manner, that cosec minus theta is always equal to cosec minus cosec theta. So you can write it in this manner, cosec inverse in bracket cosec minus pi by 4. The reason is cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Cosec minus x also you can write, cosec minus x is equal to minus cosec x. This is one formula of class 11 in trigonometry. Remember one thing, that trigonometry only will clear the concept of the inverse trigonometry. So that's why trigonometric formula are very important for you, and you should have to prepare those formulae. Here cosec inverse and this cosec will be cancelled out. So the value of angle is minus pi by 4. This is the principal value. So this is the answer. Now see question 11. Here from 11th question we have to find the values of. So in 11th and 12th question we have to find values of. The question is tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So you know very well one thing, that tan inverse 1 we can write tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, because tan pi by 4 value is 1, tan 45 degree value is 1. So I have written here tan inverse tan pi by 4, and one more formula is applicable here, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x or cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. If both these values are same, then we can write it pi by 2. But you should remember one thing, even the sign should also be same. Here it is minus 1 by 2 and here also minus 1 by 2. If same values are here, so sin inverse x plus cos inverse x or cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now you will have to mention this formula here, because we have applied this formula here. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This formula I have applied here. So here tan inverse and tan will be cancelled out. So pi by 4 is the result plus pi by 2. So you can take LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4. In table of 4, 4 will come in 1 times. So 1 pi, that is pi, and then plus. In table of 2, 4 will come in 2 times. So 2 pi. Pi plus 2 pi, that will be equal to 3 pi upon, denominator is same, 3 pi upon 4. LCM of 4 and 2 we have taken, and then pi plus 2 pi, then it will be 3 pi by 4. This is only the result. Now see question number 12. Here we are going to discuss 12th question. The question is cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. You know very well that 1 by 2 in trigonometric ratio cos, it will come in which angle? Cos 60 degree, that is pi by 3, plus 2 sin inverse sin, it will be the value of sin 30 degree. So it is pi by 6. Here cos inverse and cos will be cancelled. Here sin inverse and sin will be cancelled. So it will be pi by 3 plus 2 into, because 2 is already there, 2 into pi by 6. So 2 3 the 6. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that will be equal to 2 pi by 3. This is only the answer. So here only I am concluding my inverse trigonometry lecture. For further knowledge, you subscribe the channel and get the solution of further questions.